Become mighty again. With myTpen Data Extract, teachers can extract and copy data from any document or image, supporting both handwritten and digital formats. Let's dive into how it works. You can upload any document or image you wish to extract data from. This could range from handwritten notes and answer sheets to forms or printed documents. In this demonstration, we'll be uploading an MCQ exam question paper. Simply click on Choose File and then hit the Process button. myTpen Extract gets to work instantly, reading the document and identifying all text data. Within seconds, you'll see the information extracted and converted into clean, structured data that's ready for review and editing. Just click Copy when you're ready. You can then paste this data directly into your documentation or other myTpen apps for further use. It's a huge time saver for teachers. No more manual typing required. With this tool, past question papers and learning materials can be digitized instantly, making them reusable and easy to update. You're not average anymore. You're a mighty teacher.